So we made it. We're here. Let's get our stuff. We're getting our stuff.
Yes, but do we want to bring it just in partially right now?
We made it. All right, we're here.
Here we are. It's always really nice that she leaves all these flowers out in her house.
This.
And
We have a note.
And she leaves a note. And this note says, "Welcome back."
All right, let's get this fridge filled up so we can get this party started. Olé!
So here's the lovely gourmet kitchen.
Right here. And then our extra space.
So there's our upper loft.
Yeah, we're not gonna pull the ladder down right now. Maybe later. No, let's do it. Alright, we'll go out here. Please watch your head. I guess you didn't.
So here's our dartboard.
Dartboard.
So this is the sitting room and the dining room.
The $1 million view.
And this is another bedroom.
Twins. This isn't just another bathroom. This is the one with the steam shower in it. You can see like the... Oh, do that later.
So this is the master bedroom.
It's very nice. Just like I remembered it.
And this is the adjoining bathroom.
Our ensuite. The washer and dryer. And big tub. Tub. Rubber tub. And the tub. So we can do the gazebo cam. So right in our very own backyard is Erts Creek, and we're going to just explore it a little bit now. So let's see if we can check out over there. So we're out in front of the blue house on the hill, and we're gonna fly the drone a little bit around here and check out the property.
And right now, it's actually pretty warm, huh?
With 2 beds, 2 twin beds.
Oh, so it's just like a spare bedroom.
Yeah, it's a spare bedroom. It's funny that it's
Is that recording? What? I can't.
It's recording.
Yeah, it is me on the screen.
It's you.
I can see me on.
Hi, Keith.
Hi.
Even on vacation, we can still talk. Keith at the cave spot.
Yeah.
There's your 15 seconds of fame, dude. You're welcome. Subscribe to his channel, but subscribe to mine first. Kovaction. All right, so Lori's gonna deploy the access to the loft at this time. So let her rip, Tater Chip.
Secret trapdoor.
It is the secret trapdoor.
So I'm going to deploy the stairs.
Sweet.
I guess we should see the ladder.
It's the ladder
Yes.
to the loft. All right, it is deployed. All right, here we go. We're going up. 3 points of contact. It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. This is a nice view. Oh wow, yeah, this is cool. And there's room for 2 up here. Cute little fan. If I turn around here, you can see back down the stairs. Yeah, it's a little dicey. I can't believe they let us come up here. But they do. 3 points of contact, coming back down. Coming back down. Creaky, creaky. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with this, but okay. Fold her back up. How to access your loft 101. Ta-da! And that's all there is to it. Be sure to catch us in episode 3 when we continue our adventures in the Catskills and we hike the Deming Road trailhead. We're going to visit the Russian Mule Brewery and try some beers. And Chef Lori is going to take us through how to make s'mores. That and so much more coming up next time. so be sure to join us.